Good morning. It's cold out there at a nice 15 degrees or something to that effect. And I've been testing out the Canon R8. And for my first coffee talk, which I told you I would do, just give you some tips on how to maximize the battery performance of this particular camera. Number one, as you can see, I rarely use this back screen at all. If I want to review the images, I will flip it around and I'll check them out. And sometimes I'll actually look through the viewfinder itself. So that's number one. Number two, look at the menus here. You can, I shut off both Bluetooth and wireless communication connectivity. And that will save you a lot of battery life, or you can just put it in airplane mode and save you the aggravation of doing one and the other. Number two, as you can see, the camera, the big drawback about this camera is how small the profile is. It's a real small camera, so your fingers are kind of dangling. Solution: Canon does not make a battery grip for this camera, but there are plenty of aftermarkets who do. So there you go. There's a battery grip, cost you about 60 bucks, and it fits perfectly because it's designed for the original RP. Just screw it on here. Right? Much more usable. It has slots for two, even though I only have one battery in it. So I'm going to get another battery to stick it in there. And it fits perfectly. Now, again, the only thing that's annoying is every time you take out your SD card, yep, you got to remove this. So you take this out, you got, and there's your SD card right there. It's not like your other cameras that have a flap here, but by doing that, you're going to improve battery performance on this particular camera. I will say the first time I got the camera, put the battery in it, fully charged, and while estimates claim 150 to 200, I got 500 plus photos using those techniques that I just told you about. So no rear screen, no wireless connections. There's probably a couple other things you can do as well, but so I'm really liking it. Look for the review coming up pretty soon.